You guys know what to say?
No.
Hey guys, it's Sparkle Vision. And then look into the little dot. Oh, Mom. Okay, no, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, it's Sparkle Vision. Today we're going to be making a simple cake. Simple? My God. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, what you will need to make a simple cake is
1 cup of sugar. White sugar. Well, put sugar. 1/2 cup butter.
2 eggs, but we use 3 because it makes it fluffier.
2
Teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of vanilla
Extract.
1.5 cup all-purpose flour.
1 1.25 teaspoons baking powder.
1/2 cup of milk.
Good job. We're using non-dairy milk. Huh? Oh yeah, and also 2 pinches of salt for flavor.
Oh yeah.
No, not yet. Okay.
Not yet.
Okay, we already have our oven preheating. Thank you to my lovely mother. Will you make a guest entrance, mother?
Strawberry shortcake.
Yeah, she does look like strawberry shortcake. Did you ever watch that cartoon? Like the
Remember when Lexie
we're binging that later, okay?
No.
Please, okay, fine.
No.
Okay, so we already have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. That's 175 degrees Celsius. We have to grease and flour a 9 by 9 inch pan or line a muffin pan with paper liners. Okay. I'm gonna go wash my hands. You guys read the instructions. Lexie likes to eat.
Step 2. In a medium bowl, cream together sugar and butter. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla. First step.
No, Lexie, hold on.
Combine flour and baking powder. Add to the cream mixture and mix well. Finally, stir in the milk until batter is smooth. Pour or spoon batter into the prepared pan. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes in the preheated oven. For cupcakes, bake to 20 to 25 minutes. Cake is done when it springs back to the touch. Put down the measuring spoon.
Hi, Bunny.
Bunny, you go first.
Yes, first things first. We're gonna put the dry ingredients in this bowl with the flours. Lexie, you need 2 pinches.
2 pinches in that. And then
Oh no, in here.
that.
In here.
And then you pour that in there.
Wow, amazing, beautiful pinches. Now pour that in here and not the sugar. Yeah.
All of it.
Oh wait, no. Okay, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
What did you do?
It's fine.
Can I whisk it up?
Yes, you can whisk that off on the side. Hold it above here, please. Okay, Autumn. Here comes a part that you need to do. Open the butter.
We need to cut it in half.
Do we need to cut it in half?
Yeah, 1/2.
No. It says 1/2 cup, Autumn. Okay, just put it in. Hold on.
Melted.
Can I take this off? Okay. Autumn, it's supposed to be melty. Otherwise, it'll be too hard.
So just drop it in.
Yes. Just plop it on in. Oh wow, what a sexy plop. Okay, please put the sugar in the bowl now, Autumn. All of it.
Oh yeah,
Pour it on in. Wow, how
This
sexy.
is how you get diabetes.
Autumn, did you run it? Did you put this up? And you come around here. Yeah, start slow, not like I did.
Like start at stir.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, hi, honey. Would you like to make a guest appearance? Come here. Come here. Oh, yes, friend. Oh, yes, friend.
A little higher.
Ugh. A little higher. Speaking of higher, this is my dog. Bunny, say hi.
Can you put the dog down?
Now you probably wash your hands again.
Yeah, okay.
Do I put it up more?
My hands are going to be so soaky soon. Hi, dog. Hi, doggy dog.
I'm still mixing here. Yeah, like you just scoop it all together as best as you can. I'm making a pattern.
No. Please scoop the butter off your face.
It's weird to mix things without.
Is it?
No.
No, let me help you.
Wait, this is sister.
Don't button me, I'll cry.
I could do it myself. Okay. have the weirdest channel ever. Not Sparkles.
Hi, Bunny.
Next step.
Okay, what's the next step?
Eggs.
Eggs.
Do I put them in slowly or all at once?
All of us.
Okay, here they go.
Good. That looks like scrambled eggs.
Right here.
Put it down.
Nope.
Nope.
Vanilla.
Oh, Lexie.
Careful, you're gonna go in the table.
Stay back away from
Okay.
the precious.
So, this Justin, I don't know how to bake a cake.
Lexie, come here with
I
your
know how to
flour.
make more things than you do.
No, you don't. I can make peach cobbler.
I can make
surprise cake.
I can make fruit surprise cake
Make it. How do you
Okay,
make
bring it
it?
over here.
with fruit surprises.
No. I'm not gonna argue with
I'm
you.
gonna let you do it. I'm just gonna line it up for
Because I'm
you.
right.
You're not dumping it all yet, just a little bit.
Mom, what do you want? Bunny. Oh no, Bunny! Don't eat the cake box.
My fucking Katie, give them a fun fact.
Fun fact, horseshoe crabs have blue blood and it's used for medicine and really expensive.
What did you say? What else has blue blood? Me.
Don't even.
28 stab wounds.
I hate that. I mean, I love the predators on humans, but why do you gotta do it all the time?
That's stinky. We already have cake. I think the batter's done.
Yep, it is.
Turn it out.
Here I come. I already made some and finished it. Do we have any extra balloons that I can blow up?
And now you have a pan full of cake batter.
Now put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes.
30?